So today we will be making some muffins. Yay! And we have box, not homemade, but this is box made. So right here I am smashing up the bananas. My partner was supposed to help me, but he had to finish his homework, so he's not in this video. Maybe next time, y'all. So I'm here showing y'all. I poured it in the container, and I'm adding it with the smashed bananas. And you see I'm trying to get every drop, every piece. Yeah, get it all. And then I had to mix it up. Add water. I can't remember how much water that was, but it was not enough. And I'm mixing. And I was thinking, should you pour everything together, then mix? But I was like, I hope I don't over mix it, because I add the water. And now I'm adding the olive oil, because that's what I had. It said vegetable oil, but I don't keep that in my house. Now here I'm adding 2 eggs. And I'm mixing it. So every time I added something, I did mix. And I'm stirring it up, stir 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 it up. So everything is together. And now I'm mixing, because I want to make sure it's not clumpy and lumpy. You know what I'm saying? You got to get everything nice and smooth. And voila! Now I'm ready to put them inside the muffin tin. Well, the silicone tin. And as I was sharing it out, I was not really reading the directions, because I was like, as you see, I'm only putting 1 spoon in each container. Each cup, I was only doing 1 spoon. And then I was like, okay, let's see if this is gonna be enough. And oh my gosh, y'all, I totally forgot about the pulp. So I do juicing, right? So I had leftover pulp from the beets, and I was gonna add it. And why did I throw it away? So here I'm just adding. There's 12, so I'm adding 2 each cup. And here I'm going back and adding more, because I filled them all, and I still had a lot. On the back of the box, it did say 3 tablespoons for each cup. That's why you need to read, honey. Reading is very important, okay? It's important. So here I'm going back, and I'm adding more to each. And I was like, man, why didn't I? And I was like, I already had the bananas, and I was like, I should have added. I could have added carrots, because I had carrots. And you remember, if y'all watch it, it said it looked like baby food. I should have added it. It would have gave it a different color, for sure. And I had some red beets left over. It would have came out a cute color. So comment down below if I should make some muffins again, but this time add the red beets to it. Comment down below if you would like for me to do that on my next videos, because for some reason I'm like in a baking mood. And chocolate chip, I need to find a different, but my son loves chocolate chips, even though he did not finish his schoolwork. Yeah, I still baked them. I did say I was going to save them for him. So hopefully, this can be like, I guess, a bribe or a treat when you finish your homework. So look at it. It's ready.
Ooh, look at them muffins.
Ooh.
Look at it, chocolate chips.
That's beautiful, isn't it? In the oven.
I'm so excited. I just can't hide it. I know. Boo, 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 boo. Where that song come from? If you know where that song come from, comment down below.
All right, so this is freshly out the oven. I should have took them out the first time, but it was white, and I was like, But hello, that extra minute, and of course I was watching something on YouTube, and eventually I was like, oh my gosh, I hear a beep, 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 beep. But I think not bad for my first time making Betty Crocker muffins. So these are the chocolate chip muffins, and then I use a banana, smash it, add it. Ooh, don't it look so good? Ooh, it's like a muffin top. Okay, And how much was this? I think $3 and change. Ooh. And if I buy them muffins at Walmart, they would 6. How much is it for the 4-pack? And I got 12. Yummy. Okay. Taste test. Oh gosh. Ooh. Ooh, it's still hot because I still took it out the oven. I just took it out. I'm trying to take it out. Ooh. Okay. Now about this from Walmart with the silicone. Oh my gosh. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna have to let this cool. It's hot. Yay! I probably should move it off the stove since the stove is hot. Let's go. Yes. Okay, so I went ahead and away from the oven because I'm like, it's still hot. And I did a good job. I literally just rubbed some oil. Ah! Okay. Good thing it didn't fall on the floor because I would have been mad. Ooh. Oh, but, oh my gosh, this is hot. Even the silicone is hot. Now, I like everything brown. So, I don't know. Okay, it's hot. It's hot. Nice and golden brown. Ooh, okay, a little burnt. Now, I don't know if I should, when you do it, maybe you should use butter, but I use olive oil. I use what I had. Which was olive oil? Ah! Okay, so the muffins are done. It is so hot. I can't even touch it. I'm so sad, but I do want to bite. You know, it's fresh out the oven. The house smells like fresh baked muffins. In here smells so good. And the funny thing is, when it was Christmas time, I didn't even bake anything. So I don't know why. I don't know why I'm baking stuff now, but I am. But I am. Okay, here you go. This is the muffin. And it baked for 20 minutes. Okay, so the first 15 minutes for 415. And then I checked out and I was like, it looks a little, maybe it needs that 5 minutes. And I did turn it down to 350. So 350 for an extra 5 minutes. And I got a golden brown. Let's bite. Ooh. It's good. It's good. And I used 2 bananas, and I don't really taste the bananas that much. Okay, y'all. Ooh. I know my son's gonna love these, but very yummy. Good. Catch you later. Say muffins.